problems. Okay, so students, see, you all are studying nowadays at home, so be positive, utilize this time for your future. Whatever your aims are there, make your aim or make the foundation of your aim so good that there will be no problem in the future. See, okay? Don't put this time as a negative time. Take this time as an opportunity and do whatever you can. Okay? If you will do here your best or you will give here best, then you will get best. Okay? So let's start with question number 7. I think. Yes, question number 7. So question number 7 is, find the coordinates of A where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is 2, -3. See, what is given to us? A circle is there. Okay, we have to find out the coordinates of A where AB is in diameter. Suppose AB is diameter. Okay, the coordinates of point set, the coordinates of center is 2, -3. Suppose O is in center and whose coordinate are 2, -3, and B is 1, 4. Coordinate of B are 1, 4. We have to find out the coordinate of A. It's very easy question. As it is an diameter, center means midpoint. So by midpoint formula, we can directly find out the coordinates of X. So we'll assume let the coordinates of A is x1, y1. Okay, x1, y1. B is 1, 4. That is, we will take x2, y2, and coordinates of midpoints are given O, that are 2, -3. That we will take x, y. Okay, therefore O is midpoint. O is midpoint of diameter AB. Therefore, by which formula we will go now? By midpoint formula. Okay, by midpoint formula, what we will get? O. ओके, अब ये x और y के दोनों के लिए अलग अलग सॉल्व करो, या दोनों में से एक के लिए सॉल्व करो. क्या आएगा? O 2, -3 is equals to given by what? x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Okay, suppose here we write for now x, y. So for x coordinate we will go for x1 plus x2 divided by 2, and for y coordinate we will go for y1 plus y2 divided by 2. What is x? For our x is 2 equals to x1 is given to us? No. So x1 plus x2 is given? Yes. 1 by 2. 2 into 2 is 4 equals to x1 plus 1. Send 1 to this side, it will become minus. 4 minus 1 is 3. So x1 is equals to 3. Right? Now same for y. What is y coordinate? What is y? Value of y is -3 is equals to y1. We don't have y1 plus what is y2? Y2 4 upon 2. 2 minus 3 is a minus 6 is equals to what? y1 plus 4. If 4 goes here, it will become minus. So minus 6 minus 4, it will be minus 10. So y1 is equals to minus 10. Okay. So here we got the value of x1 and y1. And what is x1 and y1? The coordinates of point A. Okay. So here in this way you can writing answer in word is very important. You have to write answer in word. What will be answer in word? मैं यहाँ पे जगह में होने की वजह से यहाँ लिख रहा हूँ. Therefore, the coordinates of point A is how much? X is 3 and y is minus 10. Okay, if AB is the diameter. Next, that is question number 8. What is question number 8? See, if A and B are minus 2 and minus 2 minus 4 respectively, find the coordinates of P such that AP is equals to here. A is given, coordinates of A are what? Minus 2. Coordinates of B are given, or I will draw a line segment over here like this. This one is A, this one is B. The coordinates of B are also given to us. They are 2, minus 4. 2, minus 4. Okay. Now the third thing that is given to us is find the coordinates of P such that P कहाँ तो भी है such that AP is equals to 3/7 of AB and P lies on the line segment AB. 3/7 of AB. यहाँ कहाँ तो भी suppose P है and we need to find out the coordinates of point P. See here, AB is line segment. A के और B के दोनों के भी कोऑर्डिनेट्स आपने को दिए हैं and we have told that P divides the line segment. Okay, and AP is equals to 3/7 AB. We have to find out the coordinates of P. Now this can be easily find out by using section formula, but section formula needs the value of m and n, means the point B divides the line segment AB in which ratio? We want the ratio. Ratio मतलब क्या चाहिए अपने को? AP is to PB चाहिए. Okay, so we will get that. How to find out here now? 7 को इधर भेज दो. तो 7 AP is equals to 3 times AB. Okay, we want to write or we want the ratio in the form AP is to PB. AB की अपने को जरूरत नहीं है, ठीक है ना? तो AB कैन बी रिप्लेस्ड एज 3 टाइम्स AB को क्या लिख सकते हो आप? AP प्लस PB. सो AP प्लस PB. AB चला गया. नाउ व्हाटएवर यू विल गेट दैट विल बी इन द फॉर्म AP एंड PB. सो 7AP. नाउ सॉल्व. 7AP is equals to 3 times AB plus 3 times PB. Right? Bring AB to this side. So 7AB minus 3AB is equals to 3PB. Okay? 7 minus 3 is 4 times AP is equals to 3 times PB. Okay? Send PB to this side and 4 to that side. Therefore, AP upon PB is equals to 3 upon 4. So, if we took this one as M1 and this as M2, so M1 is to M2 is equals to 3 is to 4. Okay, so we can say now that P divides line segment AB in the ratio 3:4. तो अपने को m और n की वैल्यू निकल गई. अब it is very easy. Now use section formula and find out the coordinates of point P. Now it's very easy. By section formula. What is section formula for Px, y? It is what? Mx2 plus Mx1 upon M plus N and My2 plus Ny1 upon M plus N. Right? Now we know the value of M, or I will write it as M is to N. तो मैंने फार्मूला M और N के फॉर्म में लिखा है. Okay, so what will come now? M 3 into what is x2? x1 y1 x2 y2 2 plus N 4 into x1 minus 2 upon 3 plus 4 comma M 3 into y2 y1 y2 that is minus 4 plus N 4 into y1, what is y1? Minus 2 upon 3 plus 4 that is M plus N. Let's solve this. 3 2s are 6 plus minus minus 4 2s are minus 8 upon 3 plus 4 is 7 comma 3 minus 4s are minus 12 4 minus 2s are minus 8 upon 7. Now what we will get? 6 minus 8 is minus 2. So minus 2 by 7 comma minus minus plus. So here minus 20 by 7. So these are the coordinates of point P, that is x comma y. Okay, so this is our answer. Therefore the coordinates of P are 2 minus 2 upon 7 comma minus 20 upon 7. Okay, अगर आप आंसर इन वर्ड लिखते हो तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा. Therefore the coordinates of P are minus 2 comma 7 comma minus 20 comma 7. Okay, in this way your answer should be. Okay, moving on next question, that is question number 9. This lesson is very easy. Just you should know all the formulas that we have to use here. Not many formulas are there, only 2 to 3 formulas are there. And after that the calculation should be very sharp. Okay, we have to solve it very properly. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment AB in 4 equal parts. Now this is your part. I will not solve it. I will just explain you. Question number 9. See here, one line segment is given to us. This line segment A is minus 2 2 and B is 2 comma 8. 2 comma 8. Now find the coordinates of the point which divide the line segment in the 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts में divide कर रहा है. Suppose 1 2 3 और वो 4. Suppose line segment is AB is divided by P, Q and R in 4 equal parts. ठीक है? Now we have to find out the coordinate of P, coordinate of Q and coordinate of R. So it will be very easy. अपन ने एक प्रॉब्लम ट्राई सेक्शन का देख लिया है. आपको A और P की वैल्यू दी है. Now see here, Q is Q is midpoint of AB, right? अब Q ये किसका midpoint है? AB का. Therefore, by midpoint formula, what we can get? We can find out the coordinates of Q, that is x, y. इसके कोऑर्डिनेट्स आपको कैसे मिल जाएंगे? x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. If you do this, you will get the coordinate of point Q. Again see here, आपको Q के कोऑर्डिनेट मिल गया. Now P is midpoint of AQ. So by midpoint formula, you can get the coordinates of P. Here also you have coordinates of Q, also P, and R is the midpoint. Again by using midpoint formula, you can find out the coordinates of point R. ठीक है? इसी तरीके से अपन midpoint formula यूज करके पहले Q का निकाल लेंगे, फिर P का निकालेंगे और फिर R का. ठीक है? Like this we can find out the coordinates of P, Q and R by using midpoint formula. You can also use section formula. देखो मैंने आपको बोला था ये सब सेम रहेंगे 1:1:1:1. आपको अगर पहले P की निकालना होगा तो P divides AB in, ये वन पार्ट लो, बचे कितने पार्ट? 1 2 3. मींस P divides line segment AB in the ratio 1:3. आप ऐसा भी ले सकते हो. आपको पहले R निकालना होगा तो लो 1 2 3 पार्ट, मींस R divides the line segment AB in the ratio 3:1. It depends upon you which method you should prefer, by midpoint formula or by any other formula. ठीक है? तो मेरे को ऐसा लगता है ये वाला आपको इजी जाएगा. पहले Q midpoint, फिर P midpoint, फिर R midpoint. Okay? So it's your duty to solve it. Now we will see the last question of this exercise, that is question number 10. We will see question number now 10. Find the area, of area. Find the area of a rhombus if its vertices are. Suppose this is an rhombus for us. Suppose rhombus is A, B, C and D. Rhombus ABCD whose vertices are 3, 0, 4, 5, -1, 4, and the last one is, that is -2, -1, -2, -1. Taken in the order. We have to find out its what? Area. अब एरिया के दो फॉर्मूले हैं, जो इजी रहेगा वो सॉल्व करो. ठीक है? एक है हाफ बेस इनटू हाइट, लेकिन आपको हाइट नहीं पता है. ओके, सॉरी, बेस इनटू हाइट, लेकिन आपको बेस पता है लेकिन हाइट नहीं, हाइट निकालना पड़ेगा. एंड अनदर फार्मूला इज हाफ ऑफ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ इट्स डायगोनल. तो डायगोनल जो है, डायगोनल इज BD एंड AC. यू कैन फाइंड आउट द लेंथ ऑफ BD एंड लेंथ ऑफ AC बाय डिस्टेंस फार्मूला. तो निकाल लेते डिस्टेंस फार्मूले से. ठीक है? नाउ A, you can write A 3, 0, that is x1 y1. ये देने की जरूरत नहीं है. B, और I will not put this. A, सिर्फ आपको ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा अच्छे से. B is 4, 5. C is -1, 4. And D is -2, -1. Forms a rhombus. Okay? Now we need to find out its एरिया। एरिया के लिए अपन क्या निकालेंगे, डायगोनल बीडी एंड डायगोनल एसी। नाउ लेंथ ऑफ एसी, एसी का लेंथ निकालना मतलब डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला यूज करना है। डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला इज गिवन बाय x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square। ठीक है, चलो फिर AC अच्छे से देखो यहां से AC, ठीक है, x1 y1 x2 y2 फिलहाल के लिए, ठीक है, x1 y1 x2 y2। तो x2, what is x2? x2 is -1 minus x1, that is 3 square, plus what is y2? y2 is 4 minus, that is 0 bracket square। Now calculate them, minus plus, that is -4 square plus 4 minus 0 is 4 square, -4 plus 4 cancel नहीं कर देना। So it is now 16 plus 16, that is 32। 32 can be simplified as 16 into 2। 16 बाहर निकलने के बाद क्या हो जाएगा 4, यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 4√2 यूनिट। ठीक है, तो AC मिल गया अपने को, AC is 4√2 यूनिट। Now we go for BD। ठीक है, लेंथ ऑफ BD, ठीक है, you all like BD, I know that, so let's find BD now। यहाँ पे वही फॉर्मूला है, x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square। चलो क्या आएगा, अब BD ये ध्यान में रखना, ठीक है, x1 y1 x2 y2, पहले क्या x2 minus x1, so -2 minus x1 is 4 plus y2 is -1 minus 5 bracket square। Now it will be minus क्या आया प्लस, ठीक है, तो ये आ गया कितना 6 -6 ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर प्लस ये भी कितना आया -6 स्क्वायर, राइट। नाउ इट इज 36 plus it is also 36, we can write it like this also, 36 into 2, as here was 16 plus 16 into 2, so 36 plus 36 into 2, 36 is perfect square of 6, so it can be written as 6√2। तो यहाँ पे अपने को BD भी मिल गई। Now it is very easy, okay। Now area of ABCD is half into product of diagonals, so it will be half into diagonals are AC into BD, half into what is AC? AC is 4√2 multiplied what is BD? 6√2 solve it, 2 1s are 2, 2s are 2 6s are क्या बचा, लिख लोगे तो एक बार 2√2 into 6√2, ठीक है, 6 into 2 12, √2 into √2 is 2, so 12 2s are 24 we have the formula for area of rhombus, that is half of product of its diagonals. So by that we have find out the area of the rhombus, that is 24 square units. Square unit देने को भूलना नहीं. Okay, that carries half or 1 mark. Okay, so thank you very much. Solve the remaining problems that I have gave you here. Very few problems I gave, but some questions you can take by your own also, and you can solve or you can practice at your home. Whatever you have queries, you can ask me anytime. Be free to ask the queries. Okay, I am here for you only. Okay, so be free to ask anytime any query. I will be available 24/7. Okay, I am always saying you that utilize this time in a very proper way. Okay, give your time to your family, to your aim. Okay, because we don't have to stop. Okay, whenever someone is in peace, work in peace, so that you have to bleed less in the war. It is told like this. So it is the time to work hard, to sweat more and more. Okay, so thank you. Best of luck for your studies.